animation. Let's increase the duration of this one, and we will move this over here like this. Select this keyframe and we will hit F9 like this. Okay, and this stroke should touch this over here like this, and we will create one keyframe and end, and let's go and make this value 0, not completely 0, but let's say 50 maybe, and it should end over here. So I'll select this and I'll move this over here. Okay, select this last keyframe and we will hit F9, or select this first keyframe and we will hit F9. Let's move this a little bit over here. Okay, so if you see this now, we will get this like this. Now we are going to create, we need splash animation, so I'll hit Ctrl N and I'll call it as splash only, and simply hit OK, and press Ctrl K, and let's make this 800 height and 800 width, and then I'm going to select my ellipse tool and we will delete this stroke, we don't need that. And for the fill, I'm going to choose grayish color somewhere around like this, or you can choose black color also. And by holding shift, I'm going to create one shape layer over here. Press Ctrl Alt Home, go to the align tab, align it horizontally, then press P for position, select this, right click and choose separate dimensions, create keyframe on both of the layers, then go to around 1.15 frames, select this and let's move this from here to here and create one keyframe at Y position, and in middle of that we will move this from here to here. Select those keyframes and we will hit F9, go to the graph editor, select this, by holding shift move one handle over here and one handle over here, select this, move one handle over here, select this and move one handle over here. So if you see, we will get this kind of animation. And select both of these layers, and by holding Alt, I'm going to move this up to 20 frames like this. Then go to the start, press S, create one keyframe, hit U, hit page down button few times, create another keyframe and go to the last keyframe and let's make this 0. Go to the start and let's make this 0. So we'll get something like this. Okay, now alt click on the stopwatch and type loop out expression on it. Copy this expression and apply on all the layers and hit U, so you will get something like this. Then we will go to around 5 frames, select this, hit Ctrl D and let's move this over here. Then go to around 10 frames, 15 frames like this. So we will get something like this. Now we will select all of these layers again and we will bring them at the top and change the color of this one to somewhere around someone else. Right click new and we will create one null object. Select all of these layers and we will make it a parent with this null one. Select this null one, press S, unlink this and let's make this -100. So we will get this kind of splashy effect. Then we will go to the main animation and we will hit Ctrl 0 and we will bring our splash layer over here like this, and let's see from where this splashy animation should start. Whenever this is going to touch this stuff, I'll press S and I'll decrease the size of it, and let's move this over here. Again hit Ctrl D and change the size of this one over here, zoom in a little bit, and let's move this over here, and I'm also going to increase the size from this angle also like this, or I don't think we need extra one. We'll select this one, this, and let's try to move this over here. Okay, so at this point this animation should start. So select this, press P, create one keyframe, then go somewhere around over here and let's move this from here to here. So if you see this now, we will get something like this, and at this point I think they should end, so I'll simply close it or instead of that you can simply press T for opacity, hit U, go few frame forward, and let's decrease the opacity like this and like this. So if you see this now, we will get this kind of animation like this. Okay, now I'm going to select my text tool and I'm going to type my text. I'm going to type 0 over here. You can choose whatever font you want. I'm going to type 0 over here, and let's increase the size of this text. Let's select this and let's move this over here. Go to the align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically.